Marie.
And I'm Joy. So today guys, since umuulan dito sa amin, nag-isip kami ng anong perfect ulam sa maulan na panahon. So Marie, we are going to make or cook
Sinampalukang Manok.
So here are the ingredients. We have the whole chicken cut up in serving sizes, 3 whole tomatoes sliced, 1 whole onions, 4 cloves garlic, a slice of ginger, and we also have lemongrass crush. We have the calamansi juice.
And then here we have the banana pepper and the bok choy. And we have 2 kinds of tamarind leaves or the dahon ng sampalok. So we have one that is frozen and bottled. So bahala na kayo kung anong gusto niyo dyan. And then we need salt and pepper to taste and oil for frying or sautéing.
So Marie, let's start cooking.
Oh, gutom na ako, Joy. Let's go.
Let's go. Alright guys, so we're going to start sautéing. We're going to start with oil, of course. Ready? Do the honor.
Okay, let me know.
Alright, that should be enough. Alright, so we're going to saute the onions. And like this, maybe. Hintayin natin maging translucent.
And medium fire to, no, Joy?
Yes, medium fire. So, about mga a minute or so. Alright,
So ready na yung onions natin,
yes,
Joy.
so we'll add the garlic.
Okay, get all the garlic.
Saute the garlic. And then
Anong
we can
next?
add na ang kamatis so we can get the juice from our tomatoes.
Ako, talagang excited na ako. Gutom na ako eh.
Ako din. Kasi masyadong maulan ngayon. So this is really a perfect meal for this kind of weather. So while you're sauteing that, we can add the ginger. And then, gisa-gisa lang. Just make sure everything is sauteed. Get all that flavor in there.
So, para saan ba yung ginger na yan, Joy?
Alam mo ang ginger, kasi pampalasa rin siya. At saka pantanggal ng umay sa chicken natin. Give this spicy.
Tagal naman malinis na itong tomato na to.
Konting fire, sige, dagdagan natin.
Baka naman impatient ako.
Kasi gutom ka. Ganun na nagagawa pag impatient. Pag gutom.
Lalo na, no? Tagal ko nang hindi rin nakakain itong sinampalukang manok.
Yeah. So ngayon, pwede na natin add ang chicken steak.
Oh! Okay. For you, chicken.
We're going to saute this chicken. So we have this whole chicken. Isang buo to.
Ikaw ba nag-cut o
Ako
binili mong
nag-cut.
cut? Oh,
Yes, of
galing
course.
ka naman, Joy.
Siyempre, kailangan alam mo lahat. Pag mahilig ka kumain, yung hotos ko, cut the meat. At least hindi ako yung nagbalat ng chicken. Ay, pare.
Saka hindi ko yung nagpatay ng chicken, no?
Okay. So we're just going to saute them. Maybe, Marie, we can adjust a little bit of the fire.
Oh, the higher?
Yes, konting high lang.
Okay. Adjusted. Naku, malapit na.
Kakalagay lang natin yung chicken. Okay, now we're just gonna wait till chicken is half cooked and then we'll add water. By the way, guys, we forgot to mention that we will need water for this recipe. Kasi nga, sinampalukang manok. So, sabihin, may sabaw dapat. So, we forgot to mention that we need water.
So, brown lang natin yung chicken.
Hindi, not
okay.
brownie, but saute lang natin
Okay.
para makuha yung flavor. And then we'll add salt and pepper. And then,
So, pwede mo rin bang, Joy, na asinan yung manok bago?
before, yes.
Before.
So, yung mama ko ganun. Na,
Oo.
nilalagyan niya ng asin yung
Chicken.
meat, your chicken, bago, para makuha niya yung
Oo.
flavor, di ba?
Pero, gaano before? Like, is it overnight or 30 minutes?
Well, it's up to you kasi yung mama ko, like, normally, mga 20 minutes before,
Yeah, it's a good flavor.
Pero-
Para lang may flavor.
Oo,
Pumasok
may
yung flavor.
So,
Golden pa.
so may halo-haloin mo yan
Halo-haloin mo.
para mag-iwan ng so, parang sinusote din natin yung chicken para makuha niyo yung lasa ng mga spices natin at yung mga kamatis. Like that. So, habang sinusote niya, we can add salt. Siyempre salt. Oh my God, wala na pala akong phone. Let's put a little bit of that for now. And then we can adjust the time later. Tapos, lagyan na natin siya ng pepper. Para kahit pa paano may lasa na siya.
Dapat pala. Ang masarap talaga siya.
Masarap talaga siya. Sinampalukang. Maasim-asim.
At maalat-alat. Oh,
Yes,
that's the
diba?
best. Parang kiamoy pala. Ganyan, isa pa yung namimiss ko, kiamoy.
Naluluto ba yun?
Hindi. Eh kasi maalat at maasim-asim. Iba naman pala. Iba pala yung makakamiss lang.
So, we'll let it cover for like
Okay.
mga 5 to 7 minutes hanggat maluto natin yung chicken. Alright, after 5 minutes, let's check it out. Wow, okay. So, haluin natin.
Madapit na, Joy.
Yeah, malapit na. Gutom na po talaga si Marie. And then now, we can add the water.
Okay. So, here's the water. Everything, Joy.
Let's see.
Just let me know.
That should be good. Yes, so just enough water para na makover yung chicken natin at maluto ng mabuti. At saka ngayon, at this time, we will add this lemongrass.
Pampaasim ba yan?
Yes, saka pampabango rin. Ang flavor. So, habang nandyan siya, hihintayin natin kumulo.
Okay, so cover
So,
again.
cover again. And then we will add, after that, we will add the
Calamansi? Or...
calamansi at saka yung dahon ng sampalok.
Okay, we will be adding that later. So, wait again.
And this is like a little, I put a little bit
high.
high heat, not in between high heat and medium. Ay lang siya kumaka.
Okay, ready na, Joy. Kumukulo na
Alright,
eh.
yes. Kumukulo na siya. Now we can add our sampalok leaves. Ito na siya.
Dahon ng sampal.
Yes. Kaya tinawag siyang sinampalukang manok. Dahil sa sampalok. Pwede rin kayong gumamit ng totoong sampalok. Since wala kami dito, ganito na lang.
This is tamarind leaves. So,
Yes. So, haluin natin siya. Pwede nyo tanggalin yun, pero since nandyan na siya, nandyan na. I-mix na lang natin. Haluin natin. And then this time, we can add this banana pepper. Pang spice ng konti. There you go. And then lalasahan natin siya.
so anong ginagamit ng mami mo? Yung totoong sampalok?
Totoong sampalok. Tapos, nilalagyan siya sa hot water. And then, pipigain siya. And then get the juice. Sana meron dito. No? But for now, since wala, dahon na lang. And then, yung pangpaasim na gagamitin namin, we'll add a little bit of calamansi. Pero may touch pa rin siya ng sampalok. So, siguro we can add that.
Yeah.
Sampalok.
Na yun? No.
Yes,
Ay,
that's
kailangan
added.
mo, ano ka.
Okay, I'm gonna taste.
Is it the whole packet?
Let's try the whole packet.
Okay, now?
Yes. O sige, try natin muna.
Wala rin kaming calamansi fruit dito.
Yeah, lahat nasa frozen, but you guys can find this sa local Asian store nyo. Okay, I think sige pa, may
more
lagyan
pa?
natin ng konti pa. Para yung favorite mong asim at alat. Good. Okay. Distribute natin siya. And then guys, you can add fish sauce. Kasi yung mga anak ko, they are allergic
Patis.
to patis. So, hindi ako naglalagay noon sa any
Okay,
food
good.
namin.
Yeah. So, pwede na lang sausawan.
Yes, gagawa na lang kayo ng sausawan. So, ngayon, tikman natin na rin yung lasa. If we need some salt or...
Tikman mo na.
Tikman mo rin.
Tikman ko rin. Wala ng salt, no?
Yes. Kailangan ng salt or we can add soy sauce. Whatever you guys prefer. Pero ngayon, since naubusan na ako ng salt. Oh, guys, this is the only thing I have here in my house. Bigyan natin ng salt. Kasi yung patis, Marie, you can add that later on sa side, ano mo, sa sausawan mo.
Yeah, oo. Lagi ako may patis pag kumakain.
This is talaga, dapat ang ginagamit talaga dito patis. Since hindi nga pwede yung mga anak ko. So, tsaga-tsaga na lang. Asin na lang. May lasa din naman. Okay, it's almost done. And then after this, tikman ko nga ulit ito. Marie, since ano, what do you think?
Hindi ko na tikman yung
Tikman mo nga.
inad ko. Okay. Try ulit natin.
Gusto yung asim. Pero gusto ko maasim pa.
Kailangan pa ng asin.
Okay. Tama-tama talaga yung
Tatlo.
hepe ng calamansi juice natin. You guys, tsaka ano, alam mo ba Marie, pwede din silang gumamit dito ng sinampalukang manok, yung mix. Pero since
yeah.
wala kami nun, kaya gumamit na lang kami ng calamansi juice. Alright, so I think that should be good. And then we can add the bok choy now.
Okay. Just add it.
Yep, that's clean bok choy.
Pre-washed bok choy by Joy.
Yes. Wow, again, sarap ang bok choy. Ayan na. And then, after this, mag-wilted lang yung vegetables natin, itong bok choy.
Ready na?
Ready to eat. Yes. Okay na ba yung asin? Sa'yo?
Hindi pa. Hindi ko
Tikman natin. Tikman natin para kung nakuha na natin yung desired na asin.
Anyway, tatlo lang yung kalamansi mo.
Oh yeah. Pero pwede kayo mag-add. Tsaka pwede rin yung side
So
na sausawan.
adjust na lang to your taste.
Oo.
So tatakbang ko ba para...
Yes. Or,
Pwede na rin natin siguro patayin yung patayin na ba?
Hindi pa. Lutuin natin yung mabuti ang bok choy. Mga half cook. So,
Okay.
we'll be back guys. And then after that, we'll show you.
Kainan na?
Kainan na. And then we'll serve it. We'll put it in a serving plate. And then we'll eat. So we'll be right back. So Marie, it's done.
Okay.
So now,
Let's show it.
wow. Okay, I'm gonna turn up the fire now. So eto na ang ating sinampalukang manok. Alright, so I hope you guys... Marie, I hope you're hungry.
I
So
am
let's
very
eat.
hungry.
Wow!
So guys, sana nagustuhan nyo ang aming recipe today and sana try nyo rin.
Yes, and this is our version just in case you are avoiding MSG and using mix. So this is one way to do it. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And hit that notification bell. See you guys next time.
Bye!
Bye!
Pwede mo nang i-delete.